Hello. Who is a CEO? What exactly does he do? Does it change based on the size of the company, the kind of business? However you think, finally, CEO has fundamentally two aspects to the post itself. One, it is a noun. Second, it is a verb. Noun to the extent it stands for a position that a person holds in an organization, however small, medium, or large. It is a verb because finally it is something that a person has to do. The post of a CEO is not something that you just acquire through designation and do nothing about it. Dividing it further, there are two basic aspects to what a CEO should be doing. Under these two basic aspects, there could be hundreds of topics that we can jump into and develop further. Leadership or being a CEO is all about one, thinking, and two, doing. What do I think about? What is the vision of the company? What is the goal of the company? What are the strategies that I would formulate and ensure they convert into successful plans and ensure that the company reaches those goals? The CEO fundamentally is a business architect who keeps thinking about where to take the company. Of course, along with support with like-minded and people who are capable of supporting him in this thinking process. Thinking by itself has no value if it is not converted into action. So the second role of the CEO, not necessarily that he has to personally do, is to ensure that what has been thought and put on the drawing board in terms of a plan and execution strategy and all that is actually executed. There is one thing in terms of putting things on paper, whether it's launching of a rocket or winning a IPL title or whatever it may be. But on the day when it really matters, you need to execute. So fundamentally, CEO is a leadership role which has basically two fundamental stuff. As I mentioned, one, it's a noun, it's a designation. Second, it's a verb. That is something that you grow into by acting upon what you are supposed to. Second is your ability to think and to execute. If you are an aspiring CEO or an entrepreneur wanting to learn the journey of being a CEO of a company as well, there is one thing that I always share. Whether you have just begun the journey, whether you have been there for 30, 40 years, as is in my case, it's all about continuous learning, unlearning, and relearning. I wish you the very best in this process of stepping into this fantastic journey of being a CEO. Thank you.